Data, welcome to the last video. I thought the last video was Wednesday, but I had to make one more just to explain the final to you. Final project, that is, which replaces the final exam. So this is your page that you read about the final exam. And if you click down here, it will go to final exam project. It will open a copy for you. Every student in data analysis will get their own copy so that you can submit it to me. When you're done, you'll have a button for you to submit on here. And then you will be able to, I'll grade it to you. It may take me a day or two, and I'll get it back to you. And then you can work on any thing you want to make corrections. Okay. So once you open up the final exam project, it's going to look like this. You'll already have clicked on this video tutorial right here because that's what you're listening to that. Here's a list of all the topics that you can use. So if I click on that, all the topics are right here. This is everything we've pretty much gone over this trimester. So those are the topics that you can use. Let me slide that up a little bit for you. Okay, can't repeat any of them. You can use you have to use 6 of them total. All right, let me go back to the final exam. So I'll give you an example. When you go to page 2, it won't look like this. It'll just say problem 1, explanation and artifact, and it'll say topic, it'll be blank. Kind of like this page right here for problem 2. Now I inserted this right now just to give you an example of what it looks like. So topic, fundamental counting principle. So that's the topic you chose, and you're going to do a problem that relates to that topic. And it's something that you've been home for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, a long time now. I know maybe not completely home, but you're just going to find a problem that is in your home or in your yard or somewhere around your house that you can use to describe that you understand, for me, the fundamental counting principle. So you're going to explain the scenarios. There's a topic. You explain the scenario. This will be worth a point for explaining the scenario. This morning, my wife went to work out. So to pick out my daughter's outfit, I saw she had 8 short sleeve shirts, 10 pairs of shorts, and 11 pairs of socks. I wondered how many different outfits could I make. This is worth a point. This is an artifact. All right. It can be a picture. It can be whatever shows me that you're actually doing this problem. Okay. So how many outfits could I make? Going on to the next one. Problem 1, work and answer. For problem fundamental counting principle is just you take the numbers 8, 10, 11. You go 8 times 10 times 11, and you get 880 different outfits that could address my daughter in. Now, the goal of this is to have fun. And I know you're like, well, Mr. Manor, this is data analysis. It's a final exam. It's not fun. But as you can see, my daughter, she's ridiculously dressed, right? She didn't even want to wear shorts. She's got a boot because she had a broken leg. She's got on this foot like a croc, right? She's got a lunch pail and a backpack and a long sleeve shirt, which it's like 80 degrees out. It's air conditioner out. So it was unbelievably crazy to get her dressed this morning and show you this problem. So again, this is worth a point for explaining it, a point for a picture, an artifact of what you're doing. Make sure you get the topic in there. And then the work, 8 times 10, is pretty simple for mine. Yours may be a little bit more involved. And then the answer, 880 different outfits. You can have if it was decimals for your work, that's fine. Whatever it is that shows that you're doing this problem. And the goal is to have fun. There may be a bonus point if you're having lots of fun while you do this and appropriately being silly with the pictures and artifacts that you show as you go through. So again, these 2 pages will be blank, just like this. So it'll just say problem 1, explanation, artifact. But I put those in there so that you would see what they look like or kind of an example of it. Okay. So you go through, you'll do that 6 times, finding topics on here that relate to different things in your home and your life that you can use to solve problems. So whatever you can find to relate those problems. You go through all 6 problems. So 4 points. So it's basically 2 points a page. 2 points each page will get you a total of 24 points for the final. And then down here is just a survey about the trimester. If you can answer it, that would be great. I'm going to put your answers in red. That would be even more helpful, or a different color to help me out as a teacher. So congratulations. You have finished data analysis. Oh, and there's one other thing. When you're done, you'll click submit because you open a copy. So if you'll go back to the classwork, you'll be able to click submit on here. And then I'll grade it and give it back to you. Make sure that everything is due by Wednesday. So if you're just turning in once, it's due by Wednesday of next week. That is your hour for the final. Okay, so Wednesday is the day for first and third hour to turn in this assignment. Again, if you get it done by Monday night, I will return it to you the next day, graded, and you'll be able to go make fixes on it. When I do grade it, you'll see little comment bubbles here next to each slide that says you're missing something here, or hey, what about this? And then you can resubmit it to me after you do that. So once you're done and I return it to you, it'll say over here things that you missed. Like for instance, if this was my slide, it would say if I missed, like let's say the picture of my daughter wasn't there, right? I would say you're missing an artifact, -1, and you'll go and you'll add that artifact in to show that you actually did work on what you said you were doing to answer these questions. Okay, I think that's everything. If I forgot something, I'll add another video. So congratulations. Hopefully graduation is right around the corner for you, and Miller Park too, from what I hear. All right, talk to you soon, Data. Take care.